Well, hello, and welcome back to yet another Be OK Media Life video, the place where we show you how to take budget items from a variety of places and turn them into high-end home decor. Let's see what we're going to get into today. Okay, so what we're going to do today is build a beautiful portable lamp utilizing these Dollar Tree frames. And I love these frames because they have that kind of natural wood color to them. And I am not going to paint or stain this, but as you guys see me put it together, at any point in time, you could certainly change this to whatever color that you wanted, but I love this natural wood. So you're gonna see me go ahead and start to get my frames broken down, which is just pulling out that back part and taking it down to just the wood frame. I'm gonna let you guys watch as I pull this together. So the next thing I'm going to do is grab some of those Dollar Tree chopping mats and utilize the back of the frame as kind of a stencil to help me trace out 5 squares. And then I will cut them out of the chopping mat. So once I have all my squares cut out, I just go ahead and add them to my frames utilizing hot glue. So for my 6th frame, which is going to be the bottom of my light and the place where my light is going to sit, I trace out another square utilizing the back of the frame. So what I'm going to be using for my project today are these wonderful pug lights that I did pick up from Amazon, and I will link them if you guys want to check them out. Now, what makes these special and different from ones that I usually use is that they have a warm white light. They are not RGB, which means that they don't change colors, but they have a nice warm white natural light, and that's going to be perfect for my project. So the next thing you're going to watch me do is take that pug light and trace the shape of it out on the inside of our cardboard square. And then you'll see me kind of press it down into that hole that we're going to make and glue around it. And this is going to secure our pug light. And we want to make sure when we do this that we can still access that battery compartment in case we need to change those in the future. So pro tip, the frames at the Dollar Tree usually have some sort of kind of smoothness on the surface that makes them difficult to adhere utilizing hot glue. How you can get around this is 1, by sanding, or 2, by doing what you see me doing here, which is scoring the edge. That way the glue has some place to settle into. So now that we have all 6 of our components together, let's go ahead and put together this lamp. This is funny to look at. So when I put together my box, I actually did so that my light was facing outwards and not inside of my box the way that it was supposed to. This just happens when you're crafting. It's no worries. I just took it apart and I fixed it. And I love this, right? It's nice, it's neutral, it's a beautiful piece. I think that puck light with the warm white is perfect. And again, you could do whatever you wanted in terms of color to make this match your decor. Let me know if you guys will be trying this project in the comments.